Oops! Tamang higpit lang. 5 common mistakes kapag nag-change oil na baka ginagawa mo rin. Hindi pagbukas sa oil filler cap bago mag-drain. Kapag hindi binukas ang oil filler cap at tinanggal ang drain plug, this will create a suction sa crankcase. Mapapansing mabagal ang pag-flow ng oil which may trap dirty oil at contaminants sa mga singit-singit ng internal engine parts. Make sure to pop the cap open bago mag-drain. Pangalawa, draining cold oil. The Society of Automotive Engineers confirm na ang oil viscosity changes dramatically with temperature. Mas malapot ang cold oil kaya naman pwedeng kumapit ito along with dirt and contaminants to various engine internal parts. Paanda rin ang makina and let it idle for about 5 minutes bago i-drain. Warm oil flows easier and faster kaya naman mas maraming contaminants ang sasama sa oil palabas, leaving the engine much cleaner. Pangatlo, hindi paglulubricate ng oil filter O-ring. Kasabay ng pag-change oil ang pagpalit din ng engine oil filter. Kapag nakalimutang i-lubricate ang O-ring ng oil filter, una, it may fail to create a proper seal. Pwede rin kumapit ito sa engine surface, making it difficult to remove kapag kailangan ng palitan. Kapag kumapit ang rubber at naiwang nakadikit sa engine surface, it could lead to double gasketing kapag ilalagay na ang bagong filter. Pangapat, using the wrong oil type. Iba-ibang sasakyan, iba-ibang makina. Kaya iba-iba rin ang engine oil rating, classification at viscosity requirements. Sa pagpili ng engine oil, stick to the recommendation sa inyong owner's manual. Always choose an engine oil that meets or even exceeds yung manufacturer's recommendation. Gaya netong fully synthetic Sea-Oil Extreme Mako engine oil. Hindi basta-basta ang additives nito dahil yan, world-class brand na STP ang gamit nito. At kahit premium quality, affordable. For diesel workhorses naman, meron din sila nitong mas affordable na premium multigrade Sea-Oil Deomax diesel engine oil that comes with the same STP additives. Choosing the right oil is one of the simplest ways para makasigurado na ang iyong engine runs smoothly for years to come. Para double engine protection, tibay sa mahabang panahon, go for Sea-Oil engine oils. Panlima, sobrang paghigpit sa drain plug. Tighter is not always better. Loose thread o stripped thread sa oil pan na pwedeng pagmulan ng pagtagas ang mga halimbawa ng costly damages na pwedeng mangyari kapag nasobrahan sa higpit ang drain plug. Tamang higpit lang. Tight enough to crush the washer but do not force it beyond that. Much better na naman kung meron kayong torque wrench. Just refer to the torque specs sa owner's manual. Due for change oil na rin ba? For convenience, peace of mind at para siguradong maayos ang pagkakagawa, get quality oils and quality service by scheduling your next oil change at a Sea-Oil Lube serve station near you. For Sea-Oil engine oils naman, gaya nitong Extreme Mako at Deomax, they are available at Sea-Oil gas stations and partner shops nationwide. Basta Sea-Oil engine oils, double engine protection, tibay sa mahabang panahon. Drive safe and God bless.